Together we learn through every challenge our spirits burn. Today we stand proud and bright, shining together in our school's life. Good morning and namaste to the respected chairperson, chief guests, board members, principal, all the respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. It's an immense pleasure to announce that after many successful years and simple journey, our school, Hockey English Academy, is celebrating its 26th annual day. First of all, congratulations to all of you. We have stepped on 26th year after completion of 25 years. In this auspicious occasion, I would like to deliver a short speech and welcome you all in this program. Established with the motto of quality education, our commitment, our school has been serving us with many more facilities and services. It conducts ECA and CCA programs for overall development of students. These programs are conducted every Friday except for the exam duration. From these programs, we learn new skills essential for future. It has built 3 blocks for kindergarten, primary and secondary students. Our school doesn't only prioritize theoretical knowledge but also focuses on providing practical and technical knowledge. It has facilitated us with smart boards and multimedia projector service. Apart from this, our school also conducts Garidaka program, Food Carnival, etc. These programs or carnivals have built a platform for us to learn, to understand and respect our culture. Our school also conducts health camps time to time, like kidney health camp, dental camp, eye camp, etc. This is the another reason why we feel proud being the part of Khopri. We feel secure here. Likewise, our school conducts various sport programs and also participates in many competitions organized by various organizations. Khopri English Academy has enabled us to show our inner talents in various competitions. Smart boards and projectors have built a platform for learning technical knowledge and skills. From kindergarten to secondary level, I have spent likely 11 to 12 years in this school. In those years, I have had a lot of experiences. I have learned and have been learning new things, new places, new experiences. Only I know how delighted I was after getting first time I got prize from the school. It was Chelsea Works. It is the school where I got to know about friendship and I make or build friend circles. Together we have traveled a lot of places to school. We become really glad when our school conducts extra tours and hikings for our refreshment. Overall, my school has helped in my personality development. Today I am standing here and able to speak here in front of all of you just because of my teachers and my school. And most importantly, gratitude to our dynamic, hardworking, polite, courteous and friendly teachers who have put their full efforts on developing our theoretical and practical knowledge, communication skills and interpersonal skills. We are nothing without their persistent efforts. They have taught us ABC, taught us to make sentences, paragraphs and news essays. They are our second parents who have nurtured us, taught us to behave in manner, respect elders, love juniors, and speak in a polite manner. At last, on behalf of all students, I would like to thank Khopri for never disappointing us and once again welcome you all in this program. Thank you.
Very, very good. Good afternoon. On behalf of the